to the raindrops tapping softly on the glass. Gray and gloomy city skies, cars and trucks below that pass. I see people jogging, people walking, dogs on leash. River waters running murky while I sit and write in peace. I look back and see a life fulfilled, answered prayers each day, health and family beside me, stable love that choose to stay. There's just one thing I keep asking for, a silent prayer I whisper low, deep inside my heart and soul. God already knows life feels fulfilled to me, a career I truly love, a heart that still finds joy each day, blessing from above. Keep me humbled and grounded through every high and low. One more thing I ask from God, and only He would know. Then I think of people on the streets, no warm home or bed, walking through the pouring rain with heavy hearts instead. Some are lost and broken, trying hard to numb the pain, searching for a little comfort through the darkness and the shame. God help them find the light someday. I know your love is real, but every soul must choose the path and learn again to heal. I may not have the power to change every life I see, but I can listen, care, and pray, and offer empathy. So I focus in the things I can help when I am able, when I am able, and when my hands can do no more, I leave it on God's table. Life feels fulfilled to me, a career I truly love, a heart that still finds joy each day, blessings from above. Keep me humbled and grounded through every high and low. One more thing I ask from God, and only He would know. Rain brings quiet reflection, a chance to slow and breathe, to appreciate the life I have and all I still receive. I pray for those with empty hands, for hearts that carry pain, and try to offer kindness still, through sunshine or through rain. Life is tough, I know it well, full of sorrow, fear, and strain, but life is also beautiful, with compassion after pain. So I begin within myself, with self-respect and grace, learning how to love my soul and walk this world with faith. Rain on my window softly falls again, and with a grateful heart today, I let the blessing in. I let the blessing in. I let the blessing in.